You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. She sounded stock. Crazy.
Hell yeah, boy.
Puro tomates.
Hell yeah.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Ugh, yo. That shit is ugly, bro. I know you guys see the title. Finally, man, we got some new shoes for the Z. I actually got an errand to run right now, but when I get back, I'm gonna wash the Z so it can look a little bit cleaner. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. Been looking at these wheels for a long time now. I really like these wheels, man. I mean, I could have settled on something else. I had a couple options in mind. I really like the design. I do have plans for them. I don't plan on keeping them the finish that they are, but I do like them and I settled on them. I made my choice, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these errands done. I'm gonna wash the Z, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I pulled the trigger on. But first, it is hot as shit. I'm ready for fall, bro. Ready for that cool winter, but sheesh. ZRLs need to go, man. And before we get into it, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of plans for the Z, so I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to bullshit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my things, watch the Z, give you guys a little quick walk around, and then I'll show you guys what we purchased.
Later that same evening.
Damn, the Christopher Columbus slides, okay. Weak. Alright, y'all, she's all finished. As you guys can see. Hella clean. Done. That paint though. She's all clean. I have the box right next to me, literally right here, bro, of the new wheels. We'll get to that in a second, but I just want to talk about why I got them and the controversy between them. So yes, some people might say these are reps, some people might not. Honestly, from my experience, bro, I used to see these shits on fucking NFS, so I don't want to hear your shit because I highly doubt NFS puts reps wheels on their game. I really like the design. I just don't really mess with the finish, but I do have plans on the finishing. I'm probably putting them on how they are, but I definitely will get them powder coated. All right, literally got it right in front of me. You guys ready? Put this down. Okay, I'm trying to kill nobody. Boom. If you guys know, you know. Cosmis Racing. I haven't even showed you guys the wheel yet, but you guys already know. Go ahead and open this joint up for y'all though. With one hand. Literally been looking for a wheel for so long. I was so close to pulling the trigger on some RPF ones, just because, not even if they're reps or nothing, bro. Just because I genuinely like the face of the RPF ones. Like, I've seen some Z's with like a black chrome RPF one, or with some whales or something. That shit looks hard, bro. But I was so close to pulling the trigger, I just didn't. And I had my eyes on these for a while, so I just said, fuck it, why not? Might as well just buy them. I like them anyways. All the other wheels that I had options on, I would always see myself running back to this one, so I just said, fuck it. But you guys see it. You see what we working with, Cosmis. So this is the cover. Once I take this off, you guys will see it. So I'll show you guys the wheels. I'll show you guys in the sunlight, because I do plan on getting some cinematics, because these things look freaking fire, bro. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, debated. I ain't gonna lie, that shit trolled me. You guys ready? For real, for real, for real. Boom. Damn. That shit looks hard, bro. sick. Hella sick, bro. Oh yeah, these are the Cosmis XT006Rs. 18 by 11, 18 by 9.5 is on the way. The 18 by 11 didn't clear the front. I can show you guys that real quick, but ordered some new ones. They should be here soon, but I only bought 2 because I wanted to test fit the 18 by 11 since not a lot of Z's have the actual setup. I just want to see it myself before I buy some. I didn't want to, but they didn't clear. Like I said, I can show you guys that real quick. Bro, these are sick, bro. That junk hard, bro. No cap. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this face right here. There was one specific wheel where, like, you know, it had all of this chrome, but they didn't have the spec that would fit my Z. I don't think it would have cleared the caliper, so I ended up going with this one. I had no problem with investing into the chrome face. But we might run this for a little bit, no cap, because I feel like the black would complement the rest of the black trim around the car, and it would probably make my calipers stand out a lot. So we're gonna run this for a little bit. You have to get tires from. It's gonna be a little meaty setup. So we're going down from 19s to 18s. So we're definitely gonna run that meaty setup. Thinking to 75-35. Kind of want to keep the same profile. I have no problem with it. So that's probably what we're gonna be doing. Since these are 18 by 11, we're definitely gonna have to run a little wider setup. And then also, let me show you guys something that I've been keeping. I haven't set it on the channel, and I've had it in the garage, but I just haven't put it on the channel. But I've had them for a while, so let me go ahead and get that for y'all. Y'all don't even know. Y'all ain't even ready. I got a bunch of plans for the Z, bro. We loading right now. We like 50%. What do y'all think this is? Oh. I done did a sneak peek already, bro. I'm weak. Let me just go ahead and show y'all. Let me stop baiting y'all, bro. Y'all finna unsubscribe. Boom. Lowering springs, you already know. So these are Tein lowering springs. If you do know, this is one of the top tier lowering springs for the Z VQ platform, Z37, other than H&R. I was gonna go H&R, but honestly, even though coilovers might be the best option, I just want to say that I did springs at least once. So dude, I can't stop looking at these. When I was getting the springs, I literally just kept looking at them, bro. But they do deserve a cinematic, so probably gonna hit y'all with one of those, no cap. Yeah, that's the wheel reveal. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, bro. This shit looks sick. Like I said, I didn't have time to actually mount the wheel. By the time I would have, the sun would have been down, and you guys probably wouldn't even be able to see shit. So make sure to follow my IG. I will post a picture of the thumbnail, or you guys will see it in the thumbnail. What am I talking about, bro? So we got the squad here, the hype ones, and then we got this one right here. And then we got the one that don't do shit, that just be chilling away from the whole friend group. Damn, that sunset though. But yeah, man, we're finna cook out. If you guys wanna watch, don't. You guys do. What's up, fucker? Welcome to the family, fool. We got a lot of shit to cook, bro. I think we're cooking shrimp, we're cooking carne asada, we're cooking a whole bunch of stuff. We stacked right now, so we got the Z, RT, Marrow. Can't tell me there's some Fast and Furious type shit. Usually the grill. My other boy with the 5-0, and then Omar right here. Can't tell me there ain't no Fast and Furious shit right here. Got some little Fast and Furious shit going on. Parking our cars and stuff. Man, if you can't do no little stuff like this with the homies, are they really even your homies?
Oh, that hurts. Oh.
Sounding stock. Motherfucker, a yapper.
Oh, if you pay, I'll go.
All he does is yap. Yapaholic. Natural yap.
But if I pass out,
You're not doing it by yourself. You're gonna have someone with you.
Damn, all this damn meat, bro.
he saw face drugs video, he passed out.
We eat good tonight.
Hell yeah.
The wheels, good stomach, new cut. You guys don't know I cut hair, but you guys probably won't even watch that deep into the video to know. Damn, I ate like 4 chips and I feel fat as fuck.
Oh, that's chicken.
Damn, check this shit out. Sheesh. Hella season.
We'll get some. Hey, call him to bring some napkins.
Oh
yeah.
Smack that joint.
Like, you know, weed.
You finna grab good, y'all. I'm gonna lie. Alright, bro. I'm tired. I'm full. It was a good meal while it lasted. I'm extremely tired. I gotta get started on this video. We got more content tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But I'm extremely tired. I'm full. Son piano. I think that's how you say it in Italian. I don't know. My homeboy's Italian, so son piano. So we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Stay tuned for that. Catch you guys later. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at these fiends. They keep daring each other to drink, bro. Funny, bro. They like keep making bets and shit. Look. Look. Bro, I'm weak, bro. Crazy. This is crazy. Started drinking.
Hey, show it on the vlog.
Started drinking when I'm leaving. Look at him. Look at them. Crazy.
Hell yeah, boy.
Puro tomar.
Hell yeah.
Sábado.
Oh,